Hello, welcome to NFX. In this video, we will look how to assign multiple geometry to the points as instances, and we also see how to randomize the size and the rotation of the instances. So let's start it. I'll take a grid and here I'll take a add node and click on this delete geometry but keep points because we want only points. And now I'll take some geometries. I'll take these three geometries and I'll take a copy node, copy to points. So as you can see, our object is assigned to the points, but it's too big. I'll reduce the size. So as you can see, every point is taking all three objects, but we don't want this. So I'll take attribute adjust integer and here this will create variant attribute, and here we will take random and we will the minimum value is 0 and maximum is 2 because we have three objects. So I'll take 0 to 2. And in this copy node we have to turn this piece attribute, so it will create a variant attribute. So as you can see, we have the random geometry, but some of them is not looking good because we have to pack these geometries. So I'll take assemble node and I'll take this create pack geometry. So our geometry is assigned to the points. Now we will create randomness to the size. So I'll take random attribute randomize node and here I'll type p scale to create a scale attribute. So this is the minimum and maximum value. You can play with it. And now we will randomize the rotation. So I'll take point triangle node and here I'll type some expression. So our rotation is also randomized. That's it for the tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.